Today the flow of electrons.
Yay man, what an electric topic.
Do you believe in coincidence?
Why?
Because I said the flow of elections, and you said an electric topic.
I see what you mean. Electricity is the flow of electrons.
We airflow in the same direction.
You mean like a current?
Yes, like a current, and electricity can produce a current.
Electric current, electrons that flow in one direction. Does electricity ever sit still?
Yes, that is called static electricity. The word static means still, or stationary, and static electricity is a build-up of electric charges on an object.
Crazy. I always thought it was the spark that my sister always shocked me with on my ear, or when I got shocked by a doorknob.
That is the discharge of static electricity. Static charges can discharge quickly, like those sparks, or slowly, like when a balloon sticks to a wall, or your hair stands up, when you are near a static generator like a Van de Graaff machine.
Shocking.
Even it is caused by a discharge of static or a flow of electrons.
So what about current electricity?
It's just what it says, flowing electricity, kind of like water through a pipe.
Electrons are like water and a wire is like the pipe?
You got it.
So, does it all flow the same?
More or less. The path that electricity flows in is called a circuit.
A circuit is the path that electricity flows through.
A closed circuit has all the switches turned on, all the appliances connected, and in working condition, all the wires connected, and a source of current electricity.
So, like a battery is connected to a switch, the switch is connected to a light bulb, and the bulb is connected back to the battery.
Yet,
Okay then, what is an open circuit?
any of the switches, appliances, or sources of power are turned off or disconnected so that the electricity cannot flow.
Electricity cannot flow. Cool.
It sounds like you got it pretty good.
I hope so.
Well, let me quiz you on it.
Whatever.
Okay, electricity is.
The flow of electrons.
Current electricity is.
The flow of electrons through a conductor in the same direction.
You really are getting it. But what is static electricity?
Static is the build-up of electric charges on an object.
Wow, what about a closed circuit?
Closed circuits have a path for electrons to flow through freely. Basically everything is hooked up, turned on and working.
What about an open circuit?
Well, if a closed circuit is all hooked up, turned on and working, an open circuit is not. Something is disconnected, turned off or not working, so that the electrons cannot flow. All this talk about electrons and conductors remind me. What is a conductor?
I'm so glad you asked. Conductors are materials that allow electrons to flow through them easily. Metals are good conductors because their electrons are not bound to one nucleus, they move freely around a large group of nuclei.
What do you call things that don't let electricity flow?
Just like with thermal energy, things that don't let electrons flow are called insulators, and resistors allow some electricity to flow, but only under certain conditions.
How does that apply to the electrons on the resistors and insulators?
You are on a roll. What happens is that the electrons of an insulator are held tightly by the nuclei of the atoms, and in a resistor some of the electrons are able to flow around.